Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 27 stuck on verifying update. So guys, if you are trying to download and install the latest version, that is iOS 27, and it is stuck on verifying update, here I will show you how can you fix this issue. So guys, basically to fix an iOS device stuck on a verifying update, start by forcing a restart or a force restart. So guys, for that you have to simply press and hold the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go for the next solution, that is open settings on your device, and then go to general, and then go to iPhone storage, and make sure that your iPhone storage is not full. And if it is full, then you have to simply delete some useless data from your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go back to the settings again and then scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time, and then go to language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. Again, go back and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN. Go back and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply wait for some time, and after this your problem will automatically be fixed. So guys, wait for some time, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.